Alrighty, y'all. Welcome back. Load down junk removal. I'm Nick. It's a tree debris removal today. These climbers were here and they called us out. Come pick up their stuff. So they got some tree debris here. Looks like they trimmed up a tree. Got some logs. Got some tree debris. Logs. Got them all trimmed up here. Don't look like too bad of a deal. Got some concrete that's already cracked here, so gotta make sure you see it before. There's a big, that's at an angle. But all right, we got an empty trailer. And we're gonna hop to it. Doesn't look like too big of a deal. One load. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, that's a wrap. Got all these pieces here done. All that stuff. All the stuff that was over here. Coming to the back. Got a little tree debris there. Done deal. Take this to the landfill before the rain gets to us. All right, we're gonna tarp it up.